With 6 minutes and 40 seconds, number 10, Toto Suelo, pass break is stolen by Malabayabas para sa grupo ng Princess Rusher 1B. Stolen by Bibot, sending for the MVP of Palawan. We have only 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 14, ang MVP ng Baragatan sa Palawan, Renin Taripe. Number 14 is top pin, pull up Jay. Bang! Good for 2 points by Taripe. Pero yung Toto Suelo at Batian Cilia, medyo hindi pagkakaunawan sa nangyari. 14, shot clock down to 5. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Urin katakutan, not good. Kanya pa rin, Urin katakutan sa ilalim. Iikot, Urin katakutan. Pang! 35-42, lumalamang ng 7 puntos yung grupo ng Axors laban sa team ng Princess Rusher 1B. Para sa ating third quarter, Ambuloto, no good. Put back by Ambuloto, isusubo, tapi ka ng bola, try to put it back, wala pa rin Ambuloto, pang-apat na puko. Palawan number 14, Renin Taripe, bibigay sa kanto. 8 minutes and 38, reverse shot, hindi bumasket for Gutchoko, samantalang Kenny Tiner, samantalang number 2, Bibo Talingting, bibigay kay John Ambuloto, a former lamang ng team ng Princess Rusher 1 Badaos, bagsak yung depensa ng Kenny Tiner, pero hindi bumasket. But number 10, Toto Suelo, nakitang bukas ang Herbulo on the 3-point territory. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Toto Suelo, galawang veterano, good for 2. Takutan, quick cross, didiskarte yung Urin katakutan, sundot at kuha nitong John Paulo Hagmisis, top pinapull up J. The pride of Inagawa. Seconds remaining time. Number 17, Urin katakutan, outside, boom, boom. 8 seconds on the shot clock, last 15. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Taripe, zigzagging move, tinapon na lang. Good. Toto Suelo, pupo ko lang tatlo by Toto Suelo, 3! 51-51, number 7, Jeric Tagot. We have only 12 seconds on the shot clock. John Ambuloto, 43-53, but by number 7, time for this third quarter. Toto Suelo, galawang veterano by Toto Suelo. Takutan pero hindi bumasket, sending for number 17, Uring katakutan, a left to finish, good for Abuelo, floater by Ambuloto, good for 2 points. Balukos ang hapon ng Quezon. Number 8, Jared Trinidad. We have only 5 seconds. Jeric Dagot, not good for Jeric Dagot. Agmis, sending for Patrick Timbangkaya. Renin Taripe, isusubo na. Good. Ibibigay kay Taripe, number 14. Renin Taripe, layup, not good for Taripe. Hindi nahulog. Put back. 8 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. El Banana, Eric Magbanwa, 3 points. For 3, 61-69. Urin, not good for katakutan. Cabana, number 18. Sending for Taripe. Nasa siko ng free throw. Good for 2 points. Taripe. 82. Renin Taripe, step back, outside. Boom! 3 points. Taripe.